Welcome to this relaxing sleep meditation. Close your eyes and steady them behind closed lids. Gently guide your inhale down into your belly in your own timing. Give it your full attention, slowing it down to a nice, easy rhythm. Lying completely still, acknowledge the serenity and safety of your bedroom. Be present to your bed. Feel into the comfort of your mattress and the pillow under your head. Appreciating how the bed covers feel. Your bed is nurturing and the temperature is perfect. Keep breathing as you soften and relax. You can begin to drift into the quiet stillness of the night. Your breath is slow and rhythmic, calming and soothing you. Imagine or sense yourself now light and free, feeling totally safe and calm. In your imagination, you see yourself drifting and floating on a fluffy cloud in the night sky. It is so peaceful. Peacefulness seems to envelop you, and all tension drifts away. Take a nice breath in and out as you relax into weightlessness and serenity. All the tensions, stresses, burdens of the day have fallen away into the expansiveness of the night sky. Breathe in, breathe out. All tension has slipped away, carried into the distance and landing on the night stars. Breathe in, breathe out. Your body softens and relaxes effortlessly in the weightlessness of the sky. Breathe in, breathe out. I'm going to count down from 10, and as I do, you relax deeper and deeper into a peaceful state. 10. Breathe in and breathe out. 9. Your entire body is supported. 8. Your body is soft. 7. Settling deeper and letting go. 6. Eyes feel still and heavy. 5. Long breath in and long breath out. 4. Your body is so comfortable. 3. You are ready for a deep sleep. 2. Sleep is washing over you now. 1. Deep sleep. If you feel you need more relaxation, being in a loving space induces calm. There is a link on your screen to a loving meditation called Give the World a Hug. If you would like more guided meditations, please leave a comment. Blessings galore, and I look forward to being the voice in your meditation tomorrow.